Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix an error occurred. Please try again later on YouTube. So while watching YouTube and it states an error occurred, please try again later. Then let's go quick into the process. So first is you just need to wait for a while, or you can simply close the browser and then open it again and try to see if the problem has been fixed. Because sometimes just by restarting the browser or restarting your YouTube, then the problem will be fixed. But if not, move to the next methods. Go ahead in the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl. Click on that control panel item ncpa.cpl. Now here you'll find your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. Make a right click and then select properties. Now here in the properties window, you need to locate the Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that is enabled. Click on properties. Then here, the IPv4 properties window will appear, which has this option, use the following DNS server addresses. So we are going to change the DNS. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses, which is one of the greatest DNS because if there is an error occurred, please try again later. That could be something like a deeper thought, especially for the DNS. So for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. So it's 8.8.8.8 for the preferred. For the alternate, it's 8.8.4.4. Click on OK. Close this windows and also close this window. And after that, just open your Chrome browser or the YouTube. Then that's it. Then for the next method is we need to open the Chrome browser. Click on it. Maximize this. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and you'll find settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on this system and you'll find use graphics acceleration when available. Simply turn this off. Click on relaunch. And just try to access YouTube again and see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.